Differences are more than just a solution to reduction. It involves two or more parties who are not the same. Individuals or things that contrast and differ. But before we do that, let's start with the individuals. Every person is distinct and has their own ways and techniques. Even identical twins are rarely exactly alike. The world we live in was, in fact, one of variation.
There is no doubt about that. The distinction between those who value isolation and those who value society is significant. The status, histories, and learning preferences of the pupils may differ, but that doesn't mean that being unique is always a bad thing, because it gives them more options.
Ideas differ from individual to individual, since everyone has their own unique opinions. People also differ widely from one another in terms of their physical characteristics, social and mental makeup, and spirituality, each with a free will choice, or perhaps as a result of their circumstances, each with a free will choice, or perhaps as a consequence of their circumstances. They all influence how people conduct themselves. How dare they speak of what they know to be true and act upon it. It is important to recognize our differences, since being aware of them will prevent marginalization, which causes people to regard others differently and affect their strengths, shortcomings, or abilities.
There will be no conflict, and that will also improve us as a people. Your identity is formed by cultural differences. It serves as a bridge for seamless travel. Understanding and change are difficult for them, but if you listen to their story, you will see that they are living example of how the unfortunate and denigrated are treated in the community. They were unknowing of the significant duty we bear.
We are laying the foundation for everyone to work together, where anyone can embrace with any available arm. If we believe that there is only one suitable personality, we are all bound. Rather than building a wall and stifling potential, let us be open to alternatives.
People with special abilities and those with disabilities most often. Individuals have experienced minor forms of discrimination and are only blamed, but their distinctiveness present a chance for increased capability and strength. There are times when they are overlooked, but knowing them will make them feel encouraged. Stop perpetuating the misconception that differences are only negative.